have the rest. And we have Priscilla, Rainbowy and Elvis. Rainbowy and Elvis. Priscilla, oh, there's Priscilla. Javi and the baby somewhere there. Look at the prophet, the watcher. It's a bigger farm. We have the rest here. And Petunia's just left, just had enough to eat. That's the prophet's wife, and you can see how big she is too. The prophetess. We just have that other cockatoo that, lets me rub her belly. We'll call her Belly. That's what I'll name her, Belly. Bye, Petunia. That's Petunia. I told you she's a leader. Petunia is a leader. She's assumed her leadership position. Petunia is a leader, guys. Bye, Petunia.